Hello guys, MT here, and today it's really windy and I'm not sure can you hear me because this wind makes a lot of noise inside of my helmet, and I'm not sure can you see, but I have new motorcycle gloves. I bought cheap motorcycle gloves for 15 euros made by German company Bosmoto. And today I'm not going to talk about these gloves, and today I'm going to talk about a common mistake that almost all new riders make when they are planning budget for their first bike and when they are buying their first bike. I made that mistake, and that's why I'm wearing these cheap gloves right now. When new riders want to buy a new motorcycle, their first motorcycle, they usually want to buy the best motorcycle they can get for their money. They probably have some budget, but they don't think about additional expenses such as maintenance costs and gear. And that's exactly what I did. I spent my whole budget to purchase this scooter, and then I realized that I need to do some maintenance services. I had to change oil, rebuild, coolant, roller weights, and so on, and it cost me like 200 euros. And I was lucky because I didn't have to change tires and brake pads. That would be cost me probably another 200 euros. So I spent the whole budget for the scooter, and the next 2 months I had to spend 200 euros just for the maintenance costs, and the only safety gear I have is my helmet, and now I have these cheap gloves. And guys, motorcycle gear is not cheap. If you want to buy a pair of gloves from a well-known manufacturer, you need to pay at least 50 euros. Summer jacket is at least 100 euros. The same is with the pants, at least 100 euros. Boots also 100 euros. So for the basic protection, you will need at least 400 euros. And that is 400 euros assuming that you already have a motorcycle helmet, and it's 400 euros for the gear made by well-known manufacturers, but this is their low-end gear. If you want to have a better protection and better quality, you will need to pay much more. And guys, this is price for just summer gear. If you want winter gear, it's more expensive than summer gear, and if you want them both, it's going to cost you a lot. And of course, you can always buy a cheap motorcycle gear, but the problem with that cheap motorcycle gear is that the material they use is usually questionable, and the amount of protection they offer is not that high. Usually they use cheap protectors, and I assume that you want to have a good and quality gear that you can rely on it in the case of an accident or something. So buying a cheap motorcycle gear might be the waste of money, because it's much better to save, wait some time and save some money to buy good quality gear.